Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Crispy chicken strips are on our menu today. Watch this. We're going right into it. Alright, so into that bowl I put 2 cups of flour and some seasoned salt. Now you see a heaping tablespoon of seasoned salt. So this is the outer coating. We are going to season the chicken as well. So that's why I put a heaping tablespoon into the flour coating for the outside. So I wouldn't put any more though, because I wouldn't want the chicken to be salty. Alright, so we're going to go right into it. Let's get our chicken out of the package. Some of them are still stuck together, so I had to cut them and separate them a little bit. But if you want to do your pieces smaller, you could do that too. So you don't necessarily have to leave them, as big or as long as I am. So I just want the whole strip. So especially kids are out of school now, this is a good snack. You can use this for dinner. You can just put some sides with it. So this is lunch or dinner. And hell, if you had my mama, then it's breakfast too, because she put some gravy on it and gave us chicken with grits for breakfast. So I'm just saying. Alright, so caught this chicken on sale. Check that out. Yes, baby, right up in the Food for Less / Kroger. Found it in there for $2. It did me sweet justice. Let me get that and see what I can do with it. So I was trying to think in the store what I could do with it by the time I got home. But it's taken me a couple days, but I finally got to it. So, okay. You just want to cut some little pieces off you might not want to use. So check your chicken before you wash it and fry it. Check it all over just to make sure. So that's what I'm doing. Just cutting some little pieces off. That's unsightly to me. So no big deal. Nothing. Just busy. But yes, I like for my food to be good. My son is really a picky eater, so he looks at everything before he eats it. Trust me, it's crazy, but he's a picky eater to be 11. All right, make sure you wash your chicken. I've done that. Make sure you wash your chicken. Pat it a little dry if you have to, so make sure you don't have too much water in the bottom of there, and make sure you open all of your seasonings. Just makes the process quicker if you do that than having to take the top off every one. If you decide you need some more, then you have to go back and take the top off again. So just keep everything open until you're done seasoning your meat. You're done seasoning your chicken. Alright, so I use some seasoned salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now, I didn't put black pepper on here, paprika, so there's other seasonings you definitely can use on here. Some dried parsley, there's other things. So I gave you the basics right there. You add what you think you might want on yours, all right? All right, so coat every piece evenly with the seasoning. So since I didn't spread them all out on something, I have to make sure in this bowl that I've evenly coated everyone, because I don't want any one of these pieces more seasoned than the other pieces. So I want them evenly done. So if you take any chicken strip and bite it, you're going to get the same flavor. So that's what you want to do. You just want to be careful right there and make sure. So at this point, we'll start coating it with the flour. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Just coat every piece. Just make sure, because that's how you're going to get a nice crispy, crunchy coating. Every bit of it around there is coated. So you got to take a look at it to make sure. All right. So we don't have to dip this. If you want to do the egg and then dip it back in here to do a double coating, you can do that. That's, by all means, that's really okay. All right, so after this is done, I put a couple pieces in, move this over so you can see it. All right, so I'm going to clean this lens off in a minute so you can see exactly what this chicken is doing. So give me a second, part of the way. Okay, we're part of the way through here. All right, so I'm just going to take my slotted spoon here and I'm going to pick these up and let you see exactly what they look like. So you're going to keep these in here about 6 to 8 minutes. Remember, this is boneless chicken and it's white meat, so it's going to cook very, very quickly. It's not going to take that long at all. So I'm picking these up and I'm moving them around because I didn't put a lot of oil in here today. So if I keep it in one spot, I risk getting dark spots on my chicken, and I don't want that. So I'm going to move my chicken around so that I get a golden fried coating on there. All right, so I'm going to leave these in probably for about 2 to 3 more minutes, and these are done. This is what they look like. Thanks for watching, everybody. Quick recipe, right? See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.